What's going on, beautiful people? I'm Lando, success favorite motivational teacher. The goal is whenever you come to my page to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment to help out the YouTube algorithm, and you can follow me up here on Twitter, all forms of social media at Lando Success. That's the only good thing I have to say about this video, because we're about to cover briefly Coinbase earnings. And when I tell you everything was bad, everything. Yeah. So let's stop playing and just get right on into it. So this is a letter from, letter to their shareholders, right? So they said the first quarter of 2022 continued a trend of both lower crypto asset price and volatility that began in late 2021. These market conditions directly impacted our Q1 results, but we entered these market conditions with foresight and preparation and remain as excited as ever about our future of crypto. To quote our prospectus field over a year ago, you can expect volatility in our financials. Given the price cycles of cryptocurrency industry, this doesn't faze us because we're always taking the long-term perspective on crypto adoption. We may earn a profit when revenues are high and we may lose when revenues are low, but our goal is roughly to operate the company at a break even, smooth out over time. For that time being, we are looking for long-term investors who believe in our mission and will hold throughout the price cycles. So they're basically warming everybody up, giving you some lube a little bit, warming you up. So, our stock-based compensation was at $352 million. Key business and financial metrics. I don't know why I always forget this. This is estimated something before interest, taxes, depreciation. I always forget that. We believe these market conditions are not permanent and we remain focused on the long term. In fact, our investment in our business is especially critical. These periods of low volatility can provide the opportunity to focus more intensely on product development as opposed to peak periods when we're focused more on meeting demand. We approach these opportunities ahead with confidence and steady hands. To that end, we have made good progress year to date, highlighted by the beta launch of the Coinbase NFT, growth and adoption of Coinbase wallets, expansions of our staking offering through the addition of Cardano, which they lowered already, a little bit of shade, and hiring over 1,200 full-time employees to help us build the future of crypto. Then we go down to the end and say Coinbase have an important role to play in crypto economy. As we execute on the second and third pillar of our strategy, crypto have a new financial system and crypto as an app platform. We are investing heavily in products such as Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase NFT to help us emerge as a leader in these markets. We are in a strong position to help drive and lead crypto next phase, and that's where our investments will be focused. More users, but it's not more users right here. Say, Q1 were 9.2 million, a decrease of 2.2 million or 19% compared to Q4, driven by low crypto asset price volatility and lower crypto assets price overall. So that's a decline. Let's see, the more assets and payment rails. As part of our strategy to serve as a primary crypto account and give our customers the greatest amount of choice, we employ a rigorous time-consuming process to list all assets we believe are legal and safe. In addition, we are investing to expand the number of fiat to crypto payment rails available to our customers and make these transactions as simple as possible. Q1, they basically want some more assets, more options, launch USDC fiat, traded in 75 different countries. They added support of 2 assets on the Solana blockchain. So they're like, look, we've been doing some stuff. And you just look at what they're doing. The mainly thing they're focusing in on this is their NFT marketplace, which was a bust so far to me because timing, the market is going down, and plus people are used to what they're used to, so it's going to take time to integrate, and it's a bunch of projects that people are not strongly, putting their money in and believing in. During the process of this, you had Bored Ape Yacht Club, and you have, like CryptoPunks is really taking over. When you look at the financials overviews, when you look at the retail, you see the total of everything, the trading volume, the trading volume was at 309 billion, a decrease of 44% compared to Q4. This is terrible. A decrease of 44% in one quarter is bad. Our trading volume decline was consistent with the broader crypto spot. And to their argument, crypto is down, so they're a crypto company. Now, and I'll tell you guys my opinion in a few. Quarterly crypto assets volatility versus total Coinbase trading volume. Have that. Assets on the platform. And they go on operating expenses. That was actually, their expenses was up 9%. It's honestly, do we have some cash? Profitability in cash was 20 million and a net loss of 430 million. They lost almost a billion, a half a billion in a quarter, which is not good. So really, you don't really need to go over too much more. We can check out the stock price. This is stock price, people. This in the last year. Year ago, it was at 303. Right now, today it's at 55. Just today alone, the stock went from $72 to $50. That is 23% because revenues went down. Shares of Coinbase plunged Wednesday. The company said revenue fell 27% from a year ago, period. The use of Coinbase declined. It's just nothing. It's good, especially with this crazy sell-off. Now, real quick, my opinion, what Coinbase need to do is next time take some of that money and start purchasing other companies that have nothing to do with crypto. You need to have money over here and invest in companies that have nothing to do with crypto. If you get into automobile, get into something completely different, because you can have something different in your earnings. We lost 400 million in crypto, but we gained 200 million in oil and commodities over here. So I understand, it's a crypto based company, but when things go good, they're going to look like geniuses and everything will go good. But when things go bad, it's gonna tank your company. So let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Are you still a believer in Coinbase? My thing is, now I jumped off the bandwagon. I used to be a holder. I sold a long time ago, and I jumped off the bandwagon because you can invest directly into Bitcoin instead of investing into Coinbase. We need more adoption overall for people to become long-term believers, and you have stronger competition. Coinbase, keep it up. Y'all will figure out sooner or later. Haven't done it already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys soon, and I'm gone.